Want to mirror your Mac to your TV without using any cables? It only takes a few seconds. Here's how. First, make sure your Mac and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, click the Control Center in the top right corner of your Mac. Then select Screen Mirroring. Choose your TV from the list. If a verification code appears on your TV, simply enter it on your Mac to connect. Once connected, you can choose whether to mirror your Mac's display or use your TV as an extended display. You can change these settings anytime from Display Settings on your Mac. That's it. Your Mac screen is now on your TV. It's perfect for watching videos, giving presentations, browsing the web, or enjoying your favorite content on a bigger screen. If your TV doesn't appear, verify that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure it supports AirPlay or wireless screen mirroring. And try restarting your Mac and TV. Follow for more quick Mac tips and easy tech tutorials.